Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another limited edition beauty box to share with you, and it is the Bobbi Brown and Lookfantastic Smokey Eye edit. It contains 5 iconic products. It has a value of over £100. It can be yours for £45, or if you are a Lookfantastic monthly beauty box subscriber, you can purchase it for £40 by using Bobbi subs. If you're interested in this box for yourself, or any other limited editions that they currently have running, or the subscription, or you fancy taking a look at their beauty sales and things, then you'll find all that information down below in the description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This box was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. We always get a booklet, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, and it just gives you some background information about the brand and tips and tricks and things. So I'll refer to this as we go along. Let's open it up. Just give you a little sneak peek there. I've just opened it up to the back page, and it's got a really great undertone finder. If some of you are struggling to find out what undertone you are, whether you're a cool, neutral or warm, then this tells you. It gives you a chart that you can follow, and it basically says, do you prefer gold or silver jewellery? What colour shades are in your wardrobe? How do you tan? And things like that, to give you an idea of what undertone you have. After the success of the Get Your Glow box, Bobbi Brown are back with the next instalment of their trend-setting line of makeup favourites, introducing the Smokey Eye edit, a collection of 5 products from the iconic brand to help you achieve the perfect smoky eye look. But that's not all, and along with a bit about the brand and some helpful inside information, we've got some top tips from the pro artists at Bobbi Brown to take you through their steps for achieving the perfect finish to your smoky eye look. And then it goes on to telling you a little bit more about the box. So let's get on to showing you what's inside first then. So to start, we've got a soothing cleansing oil. It contains jasmine flower, white water lily, goji berry extract, and there's 30 mils there. This is a new product for me. I haven't tried this one before. See? See through. You might not be able to see properly there. A blend of nourishing botanical oils effectively dissolve makeup without any rough scrubbing or tugging. This luxurious, rich and emollient blend of jasmine flower and botanical oils leaves the skin cushioned and nourished. Ophthalmologist, oh, I said that right, I can't even say it a second time, so I'm not going to bother. Tested. This all-in-one makeup remover can be used all over your whole face and is gentle enough for your eyes. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it then. So yeah, so we've got a soothing cleansing oil. Next we go on to the shadow sticks. I love these. Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in shade Golden Bronze. These are gorgeous. I have tried little minis, and it might be in this shade actually. They are so lovely. These shadow type sticks from lots of different brands are so lovely for creating a really simple eye look. To create a really simple smoky eye look, just run it along the tops of your lashes. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit messy at all. Using a brush to smoke it out, they've actually put a brush in here, which would be lovely actually. You just blend it out a little bit just to diffuse it, and then you just carry on adding some extra colour then near the lashes again, just to intensify it. But yeah, really great. And this one is beautiful because it is like a gold shimmery. So really nice for maybe inner corners of your eyes, or even if you're doing like a halo eye maybe in the middle there. Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in Golden Bronze. This is full size and it retails for £25. This multitasking long wearing eyeshadow has a unique, smooth, creamy texture that glides onto the lid in one easy swipe. Golden Bronze is universally flattering with a soft bronze sugar and a smooth, shimmery finish. It's perfect on its own or use as a base shadow for your favourite smoky eye look. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it. So that's the first one. Then we got another one in shade Bark. And this is darker. Oh brilliant. Oh, brilliant. I haven't got one this dark. I got a black one, but I haven't got a really rich dark brown. I am really excited about that. Really happy. Okay. Again, £25, full size. This deep chocolate brown tone is the perfect complementing colour to Golden Bronze to create your perfect smoky eye. This 8-hour wear waterproof formula can also be used in the waterline and define the eyes, and it goes to tell you how to use it. So we've got another one there. So let's show you this brush then. It says it's a Smoky Eyeliner. Smoky, I'm gonna probably make a mess now. Ah! You've got to be really quick with these. Really, really quick, because they set fast. So let's do this quickly on my hand here. Okay. Oh, I'm doing it all back to front. Oh, you know what? Yeah. I'm just trying to demonstrate that it blends out. But literally within, what, 5 minutes, you can't blend these out. They are super long wearing. But yeah, I like this brush. It's really nice, a nice little one. This brush retails for £26.50. The soft dome bristles of this brush make buffing and blending our long wear cream eyeshadow together effortlessly to create a strong yet smudged line in one easy step. And then it shows you how to use it. It's got a brush. And then lastly, we've got a mascara. This is a Smoky Eye mascara in black. The wand. I don't know if I don't think I've tried this one before. This is a little mini and it is worth £13. The perfect complement to a smoky eye look, this kohl pigmented mascara delivers high drama by creating extremely black, stretch out lashes in an instant without the presence of fibres. This non-flaking, non-clumping formula can be layered up to 7 times, clump-free, build-in volume lash by lash as opposed to traditional volumizing formulas that create volume by clumping lashes together. Go from natural to maximum drama with minimum effort. Oh my gosh, 7 layers worth of mascara. That sounds amazing. Because I got really tiny, thin, straight lashes. They're a nightmare for mascara. I have to put lots of layers on to be able to see my lashes, but it can get clumpy. But this sounds amazing. If you've tried this or any of the other products in this box, please let me know what you think. I'd love to hear. So yeah, so those are all the items in this Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye edit. 5 products in all. We've got a soothing cleansing oil. We've got a Smoky Eye brush. We've got 2 long wear shadow sticks, bark for the dark, golden bronze for the other one. And then lastly, the mascara. The Smoky Eye mascara. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think of Bobbi Brown products in general? Have you tried any of these products? Have you got your eye on this box? Or are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.